Now, the least experienced judge at one of the lower classes of court is due to make a lot of money in 2021. Douglas County Commissioners allowed probate judge Christina Peterson to pocket all fees collected for birth and death certificates.
That's in addition to her salary of $127,000 a year.
There is her salary. Because previous probate judge Hal Hamrick was not an attorney and she is, Douglas County Commissioners agreed with Peterson that she deserved an additional $36,000 supplement to her state pay. For the first-year judge, that made her salary $127,000 this year. Jones Guider voted no.
I said, why are you giving her a supplement? They said, because we give it to the other judges. The other judges don't make fees.
Most metro counties cap the vital records fees their probate judge can keep. Douglas County does not. Hamrick chose to take half of only the death certificate fees, bumping his overall pay to around $110,000 each year. Peterson decided to keep all the fees, both birth and death certificates. This year, combined with that increased salary, she's projected to make around $280,000.
That's probably more than the governor, isn't it?
Way more than the governor. More than Georgia's Supreme Court Chief Justice. Even more than Georgia's 2 U.S. senators.
I definitely think that all fees should be capped. Good grief, you could be a millionaire and work for the governor.
It's not just what Judge Peterson got to keep. We also tried to see what happened to the cash she insists to be paid to release a woman held in contempt of court. Someone who was just trying to add her real father's name on her marriage license.
We didn't know, you can go to jail for this. We didn't know that.
Yet there was Montavia Skelton rushing to the ATM in the Douglas County Courthouse to withdraw $500 because he said probate judge Christina Peterson told him that was the only way she'd release his wife from jail.
There was no way you could convince the judge that this was just a mistake.
Montavious and his wife PJ were married in 2016. She never knew her father, so on the marriage license application, the native of Thailand wrote down the name of the uncle who raised her. This year, after learning her father's real name, PJ contacted the probate court because she thought she needed to let them know too.
So you guys thought it was just going to be an easy paperwork change?
Here's the question. I mean, if those fees weren't going to her, they'd be going into a general fund.
Right. So they'd offset the tax dollars and the taxpayers would benefit from that. Exactly true. And that's what's going on in those other counties we talked about. But